Hi, so my name's Kevin, co-founder of WordBot, and we just introduced a new, I would say, feature, but a great benefit to our customers that not only allows you to, rewrite sentences and do synonyms and a lot of other cool things, but you can now translate your sentences into 100 different languages. And this is a great benefit for a lot of different, whether it be content creators or bloggers, virtual assistants, people working for different countries, things like that. This is now lets you not have to jump between different applications to, rewrite using our AI tool and then also go into another application and then translate the text. So when you first sign up, and then also if you're watching this from YouTube or, our blog, we do a 7-day free trial that has no restrictions. You can try, our summarizer, our rewriter, our synonyms. We have freeze words. You can try all that within the 7 days. And if you ever have any doubts or issues with any of the parts of the software, you can send us a support email here, and we'll send reply back to you within the same business day on any issues you have. But once you get signed up, you'll have the ability to then come into your settings and then also choose your default languages. So you may be using WordBot and English may not be your default language. So when you're in the editor under this language section, you're going to always have to keep changing this to your default language. Well, if you don't want to do that, you can come in here, go in and choose another language that you're going to be writing in, and then say you're always writing to another or translating to another language, you can then go ahead and switch that here as well and then update. So we're going to go ahead and keep this on English for now. And then I'm going to come in and paste in a piece of, so I'm going to take article, and I'm just going to grab a piece of text. So let me see if I can find something quick here. So, how to use Windows 11 built-in editor. So, I'm just going to take something out of here, copy that, and I'm going to paste that in here. So, say we want to rewrite this content to be something else. So, we can go ahead, and I want to go ahead and translate this into Spanish. So, now we have those set. I'm going to highlight the entire article, and I'm going to go ahead and start rewriting. And what this is going to do is it's actually going to take each sentence and then rewrite it using AI and then also translate it. So now, if I was to take this, so Spanish isn't my first native language. So let's just see what this says from Google Translate. So go Spanish to English. So there are no settings or preferences to speak of. So there are no real settings or preferences to speak of. So you got a little bit of a different, new word in there, reordered and stuff like that. So now you also have the ability to regenerate if you don't feel as if that's too different. So that'll actually regenerate and then respin these again and try a new variation. Now, when you have shorter sentences like this, sometimes it may not be too much that can be changed out of that. But we do have a feature where you can also change some of the synonyms. So, instead of preferences, you can click on that and, other words can come up that you can put in that place. So now that we have that selected, you want to select it. And then when it's selected, it's green, you can go to the next sentence and so on and so forth. So up here, you probably see freeze words. Freeze words is a feature to say you're writing content and you don't want a particular word to be changed. I can show you once we get out of here. Let me go ahead and select another word and then select this last one. And then once you're done selecting all of them, you just hit the X here and it takes you out. Now, the phrase words are up here. So these are words you don't want the AI to rewrite. You want to skip those. So let's say I put in, editor. So now editor is a word that's not going to be changed. So, or, configuraciones, actually got that probably right. So put that in there, you press enter. Now this word won't be changed. So anytime you run the rephrasing here, start the rewriting piece here, it's going to not change those, or at least attempt to not change them. And if they do, you can go in and also re-put those back in. So now that we got that in there, that just shows you how easy it is to now use our tool for an all-in-one solution. So if you're a virtual assistant, blogger, content creator, writing, and trying to convert text from one language to another, and also use the AI to rewrite it into its own new meaning, WordBot is the tool for that. So now that we got all that done, you're using our editor. Hopefully you can test out our free trial within the 7 days. You can also save your work in within here. So no need to have to work inside of Word or another plugin. Which we are do have some talks of trying some different things in the future with WordPress and things like that. But if you want, you can save your work into our online file system that has unlimited free storage. So now if you want to make a new folder, so I could put Spanish rewrites, create that folder, and then select Spanish rewrites, give it a name, Spanish editor, and save the file. So now whenever you're done rewriting, you can close out of here and come back into here and then edit this word again, or edit this document again. So you don't have to worry about trying to save it or export it, anything like that. So that's it for today. That's just, one of the features we had on how to rephrase the English sentences or sentences from another language. If you have any issues, always you can reach out to us via support, or, email us at support@wordbot.io, and we'll always get back to you. Thanks. Have a good day.